Okay guys, so I know I said I wasn't going to go to the Bath and Body Works in Cedar Park, but after watching back my footage, while I was eating my lunch at Chick-fil-A, I got a Cobb salad. The Cobb salad with what was it with? With fat-free honey mustard. Bomb. Try it. It is so good. But while I was watching the footage, I said, you know what, let me just go take a look. I'm gonna go take a look in here. Oh god. I know I don't need to be here. I'm gonna go take a look in there, and then I have my stuff from the other location. So if I do see something I want, then I'll just go ahead and just do an exchange out. That way I can re-ring up my stuff, then use a coupon, and then get my money's worth, so I'll get the most bang for my buck. So let me go ahead and go in here, and I'll show you guys what this store has. So y'all pray for me, okay? Pray for me. See, I need to stop taking y'all places. Y'all pray for me, all right? Let's go. Guys, so we're back in the car. Oh my god, so many things were different at this Bath and Body Works versus the other one. It was a lot that was similar between the two Bath and Body Works, but there were a lot that were different, like excuse me, like the 75% off items. It was some different 75% off stuff at this store versus the other store. That's why it's always good to go in different stores. I'm looking at the last video because of course I'm still in the same day, and y'all are like, how do you know when things are going to go 50% to 75%? I don't know, but different stores has different things, and things go on sale all the time, continuously marked down. Normally they mark down on Sundays, I think, but different stores of course have different things. So I used my 10 off 40 coupon I took back the stuff I showed you from the Georgetown haul, because of course we're in the same day. So what all they did was they put it on a merchant card, and then they re-rung it back up, and then rung up the new stuff that I got. That way I can use my 10 off 40 coupon, because I ain't gonna give y'all $40 just whoop whoop, okay? No, not when I know there's a coupon out there. You got to be smart. And of course, I got all my same items back, plus some more, and only spent like $15 more instead of giving them $25. So, oopsie, my phone went to low battery. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's start off with 75% off stuff. That was 50% at the Georgetown location. Malibu Heat. And they said they only brought back the lotion so far, and Malibu Heat is juicy pineapple, California orange, coconut flour, creamy coconut milk, and sunny musk. So I got 2 of them because they were 75% off. Like I told y'all, I would get Malibu Heat for 75% off, but I will not get it for 50% off. I just will not. So I went ahead and got the Malibu Heat because it was 75% off. I did pick up a black raspberry vanilla. I have one coming in the mail, but I needed to smell it today on me, so I went ahead and just picked this up at the store. The packaging to me is cute on the body lotions and the body creams, but I think with this it should have been different. It should have been different, but it is what it is. The smell is what matters, and the smell is legit. So I definitely recommend this. It was only $3.95. Y'all, you gotta dig sometime, because I found this Merry Christmas in an old packaging. Look at that. I found this one, so I had to pick it up. The notes in this is frosted raspberries, pink Prosecco, Jasmine, Wreath. It smells a lot like the black raspberry vanilla with a hint of something a little different, and it doesn't remind me of the other Mary Berry one that came out this past Christmas. But this is a really good find. Again, will I find another one? Probably not, but I was happy to find that one. And I picked up, yeah, I got a couple more items in here. Dang, I got a lot for $15, because all I spent for all that stuff was $15. I got the At the Beach Airbrush Body Bronze with coconut oil. It looks just like this. Again, at the other location, 50% off. This location, 75% off. You're like, girl, why you get an airbrush body bronzer? Because I like bronzing too. So what? Just because I'm dark skinned don't mean I don't want a bronze? Shoot, I want a bronze too. So I got it. Okay, we're gonna let it go. Okay, let it go. And then I got 2 wallflowers, and I got them in lemon mint leaf. Yep, here it is, lemon mint leaf, and it looks just like this. And I got 2 of them because they were only $3. Lemon mint leaf is actually one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works in candle form. So to get them in wallflower, since I didn't see the candle, I had to get it. And I hope the candle comes back, but for 75% off. Ooh. I would get it for 75% off. So yeah, that's everything I got from the Cedar Park location. So if you wanted to see what was at the Cedar Park location, one of my subscribers told me to come to this one. Thank you, girl, because some things that weren't 75% off at other locations were 75% off here. But y'all, I'm done for real. I got another haul coming to y'all though, you know, my online plus what I got in store yesterday. But y'all, this bag is full. Thumbnail. Okay, cheese. But yeah, the bag is full. I can't do no more. I cannot do no more. I'm done. Like, I gotta be smart like this smart water and say I'm done. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this season. I ain't gonna lie, I keep saying I'm done, but y'all, I'm gonna probably go back at least 2 more times. Go back at the very end, the day after. I think it's supposed to end the day after 4th of July, but it's supposed to go until everything's gone is what they said, but who knows. But towards the end, like the day after 4th of July is when I'm gonna go in there, and I'm gonna see if I can get some good deals. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of my Saturday, which was going to the Cedar Park store. I'm done. I'm about to go home because tomorrow I got some more videos to record for y'all. And don't worry, I'll have a made up face then and hair all together and looking beat. So because I have videos that have to be recorded that aren't Bath and Body Works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the sale just as much as I have. Woo! Feel like a crackhead, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.